Keep the goods down. If you're looking for the goodies, you come looking 'cause I stay in the jar. Ooh, 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 ooh. Yeah. Okay. Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Layla Fashion. It's so great to have you here today. What I'm going to do is style this super cute white dress that's fairly basic, button up, stretchy, cute little collar, with 2 pairs of tights. Today I'm going to be layering. Layering is always fun, it's always interesting, you never know exactly what's gonna come from the experience if you're playing with patterns and colors, which is what I'm doing today. Right now I'm wearing a pair of Wolford pantyhose that have a dot pattern. They are matte, matte with a little bit of shine. I know that's contradictory. However, that is what I see when I look at the pantyhose. I guess I could go and find the actual package and read it to you, but I'm not going to do that because that's going to take a lot of time. So all I can say is they are definitely Wolford. They are two-tone because they have a pattern with black dots. And then I can show you this because it's fully covered. They have a black panty in them, which is nice. They definitely have a they definitely have a cotton gusset. How long have I been doing this and I still can't get words right? Whatever. So I think this is really cute. As you know, I'm not overly big into patterns, but considering this dress is fairly basic, which is not a bad thing because this is very cute, but it doesn't have a lot to it. I think having the pattern on the pantyhose really adds something to the look, so I'm going to show you. I have the buttons that go up and down the dress, and there are the pantyhose again. I think they look really nice. And it's just something different, you know? This is a dress that you could literally dress up, dress down, anything. It's an amazing staple, in my opinion. So now what we're going to do is we're going to layer these pink pantyhose on top just to see the effect. Everyone knows that pink is my favorite color. Well, one of them. Well, light pink anyway. And fun fact, pink has been proven to be a color that when you look at it, it increases your mood. So if you're ever having a bad day, just look at something pink. And you can think of me at the same time. And that'll definitely make your day better. Okay, so we're going to layer this on top. I'm not sure what this is gonna look like. I'm pretty sure because these are a lightish den, I think they're like 15. They are K pantyhose. And I think because they are fairly sheer, obviously the black dots are gonna come out nicely, but I just wanna see if it changes the tone of my leg in general. I wonder if I have any other fun facts. Grapefruit is an amazing thing to eat, and I've heard, do not take my word, but grapefruit, if you eat one a day or something like that, or 1/2 a day, it's great for your cardiovascular health. That is what I've heard. Don't shoot the messenger if you have hypertension or, cardiovascular disease and you think that eating a grapefruit is going to change that. Definitely not. But fun fact. Okay, putting these on. These look good. I have a mirror over there, so that's why I look. Make sure things are going on nicely. Okay. yeah, this looks cute. And you can kind of see my booty. Looks good. All right, what do we think? I kind of like that the dots are a bit more muted because of the pink on top. They have a reinforced toe. To me, that doesn't really impact my experience with enjoying or not enjoying. But yeah, I think that this looks great. The pink is extremely faint. It's not, I think you can kind of tell there's a pink hue, like right up close you can. I'm not really sure if you guys can see it. But I like it. I think I would keep this look. That isn't common for me. So, yeah, I like it. We're gonna keep this look. So, Wolford, first layer, two-tone polka dot pantyhose. They feel like they are like a 20 den for the base, and obviously the dots are higher as a blend or whatever. And then this one over top, 15-20 max. And yeah, together they work really great, in my opinion. As always, drop a line and let me know if you think this layering looked good, if it looked like poo, if you like the outfit, if you have any outfit suggestions. And yeah, I hope you have a beautiful day. If you haven't already, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. And like I said, leave a comment. I have a Patreon if you're interested too. But anyway, have a beautiful day. Mwah.